Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or set up your SSO in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here in this example, we will need this tool or this suite so we can get our SAML identity provider. And basically, after you connect to this or after you open this URL, you will need just to go to your Salesforce. After that, we need just to go to our setup page here in the setup menu, and then we will need just to search for our single sign-on settings, which is the SSO. So single sign-on settings, and from here we will need just to click, and after that we need just to go and edit, and basically we need just to make the SAML enabled, and when we click on save, after that we can click on new so we can have a new SSO settings. And basically after creating or after clicking on new, we will need just to enter the values that we have used. So basically you give it the name as this axiom we are using. Also we can give it the issuer, which is this link, and basically we go here and add the link, and from here you will need to choose uh, the path where you have this SAML identity provider. So basically you will need to click on it, and you will need to download these certificates and make sure you know where it is in your computer or file system. After that, you will need just to choose this file, and then you will need just to choose this method or the request signature or the encryption. And after that, make sure that your assertion contain the federation ID. So in this case, this one. And in the identity location, we need to select identity is in the name field or in the name identifier element of the subject statement. Then we will need just to have this. You will need just to click on save, and after that you will need just to link your single your identity provider to your Salesforce. So now you will need just to go to your axiom here, and then you will need just to go and generate HTML response. And from here, this generates a similar response. You will need just to add your information that you have from your single sign-on settings. So basically, you will need just to start copy and pasting the informations from here that you have added. So basically, if you have added everything, you will have all the entity ID and all the fields that will be loaded, and you will need just to open them here, and then you will request an HTML response. And after that, you will be able to log in or to have your SSO that has been enabled successfully. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.